Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a very interesting topic, which is how to check the technology a particular website is built with. Have you ever wondered what languages or technology a particular website is built with? Today we are going to show you exactly how to check the various languages or technology that a particular website is built with using some powerful website technology checkers. But before we get into how to check this technology using these tools, let's talk about the essentials of this knowledge. Let's get to understand why knowing these web technologies matter. Knowing these web technologies that a particular website is being built with help us understand the user experience. Have you ever visited a website that has like amazing features by its seamless functionality, sleek designs, or lightning fast load time? Well, all these attributes are a result of the underlying technology stack that the website is built upon. Knowing the technology stack can provide you with a wealth of information. Understanding the user experience. By knowing the technology behind a website, you can gain insight into why the website performs the way it does. This knowledge can help you appreciate the hard work that a particular developer puts into creating this wonderful user friendly experience. Another reason why understanding what technology a particular website is built with is in terms of security awareness. Being aware of the technology a website uses allowed you to identify a potential loophole. If a website is using outdated or unsupported software, for an instance, it might be at a higher risk of security breaches. Another benefit is career and learning opportunity. For upcoming developers and tech lovers, discovering the tech stack of a particular website can provide valuable insights into industry trends. It's a fantastic way to learn about new technologies and languages. So another benefit is in terms of capability. If you are a developer or a business owner, knowing the technologies a competitor or of a competitor's website uses can help you assess the compatibility and explore opportunity for a more suitable integrations. So having known all these benefits, so like what are the various tools that we can use to identify which technology a particular website is built with? In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you three ways, three website checkers that we can use to actually check these technologies a particular website is built with. So the number one, we are going to use Wappalyzer. So this is just a browser extension that can detect a particular technologies used in a website. So first of all, we are going to install this extension. Then It will slightly gather information about the technologies used by the website we are visiting. With just a few clicks, we can unveil the content management system, programming languages, and analytic tools, and more. So let's just check on how we can actually install these plugins. So I'm now on my web browser. So first of all, I'm going to go to Google Store. So I'm just going to enter my web address, chrome.google.com/webstore. So the first tool that we are going to use is Wappalyzer. So we search for it here. So after searching for it, all we need to do is to add this extension to our Chrome, to our browser. So I will just click it here, add. Let's wait for it to install. So this tool help us to view the various technology a website is built with. So after installation, it's still checking. So now it has successfully installed. So I'm just going to close this. So the next thing is that I'm going to pin the extension to my browser. So I will search for it. I'll just pin it. Then let's actually, so this is it. So let's actually check, do a demonstration with it. So if I go to this site now, maybe evisiondatamine.com.org, I mean. So now this site is load, but I don't know which technology that they use to build this site. So if I want to check it, I will simply go to my Wappalyzer, click it, and behold, you can see this site is built using WordPress. They are using e-commerce, and they are using the WordPress blog and the rest. You can just see the various technology that this site uses. So let's just demonstrate it with another website, for instance, my portfolio website. So if I open this site now, we check it here. You can see this site uses Firebase and WhatsApp chats and the rest. So that is one way for you to check which technology a particular website is built with. So we are going back to method number 2. So the next extension that we are going to use here is called WhatRuns. So just like the previous one, is just a Chrome extension that can uncover the technologies a particular website is built with. So now that we understand why it's crucial to know a website tech stack, let's talk about the number 2 tools. WhatRun, this tool goes beyond just technology detection. This particular one, it can also reveal plugins and fonts a particular website uses. Just imagine being able to identify which e-commerce platform powers your favorite online store, or the framework behind a particular creative block. So let's just demonstrate with this one also. So we are going to head back to our Chrome extension store. So coming back here, we go back here to our Chrome store. So we are going to search for WhatRuns. So just like the previous one, we are going to install it. Click add to Brave browser. I'm using Brave browser in this demonstration. So after successful installation, I will just pin it here. just like the previous, and I will just pin it to my browser tab. So let's check, let's reload this site, then use this WhatRuns to actually unveil the various technology that this site is built with. So if I come here and click here, okay, we can notice now this one actually even showed the WordPress version. So you can see the theme that the site is using and the various programming languages and widgets and the rest. So we can see how these plugins help us unveil this various technology. Let's just check on this side, other side too. So the same thing here. You can see what this side is built with. So let's go back to the third extension, which is BuiltWith. So this is another extension that you can actually use to unveil the various technology that a particular website is built with. So we have BuiltWith, a comprehensive tool that not only uncover the technologies but also provide history data. It can also show you the growth and decline of a specific technology over time. It's perfect for tracking industry shifts and predicting future trends of a technology. So let's just demonstrate with these other tools. So I'll head back to my Chrome store, then back to extensions. So I will search for BuiltWith. Just like the previous one, I'm just going to install it also. Okay, let's just wait for it to come up. So just like before, I will just pin it here. So now let's demonstrate with this other tools called BuiltWith. If I reload this website now, let's just reload this website now. So let's use this whatever now, BuiltWith. Okay, you can see it all shows the various technology that this particular site is built with, as you can see. So these various tools are really helpful in terms of checking the various stack that a website is built with. So after knowing all these things, so like what are the limitation or pitfall of all these extensions? So the number one is that this tool, the technology detection tool, might provide an incorrect informations at time. It might provide an incorrect information at times, and also some website may intentionally hide their technology stacks to protect their competitive advantage, in the sense that they can actually hide their technology stack from user not being able to see it. Then another limitation of these tools is that the presence of some certain technologies does not really mean or guarantee that the website performance is secured or something. So these are like the limitations of these tools, but yet they are very useful. There you have it all, guys. We have unveiled the magic behind some powerful website technology checkers. Understanding the tech stack of a website you encounter can enrich your browsing experience, enhance security awareness, and also open up new learning and career opportunities. So the next time you stumble upon a remarkable website, remember that there are fascinating wall of technology hidden beneath that surface. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more exciting tech insights. Until next time, stay informative and keep exploring the digital realm. Thank you guys. Bye.